Hello everyone, this video will demonstrate you how to set up your product's inventory and limit number of sales on a single product. Let's start by creating a dummy form for products by the name Clothing Catalog. I'll quickly add the basic fields like name and email. Now, the product inventory settings are available in the new payment settings, so I'll add that block too. Since I have already covered the setup of new payment settings in a video, I'll quickly move to the product's inventory setting. But if you want to know more about the new payment setting, its link will be available in the description. Now coming to product inventory, all you have to do is add the total number of products available in your stock. For example, t-shirts priced at $19.99 are 25 in number. Similarly, shirts are 30 in number and jeans 20. That's it, save the payment settings, and I'll also change the button text to pay now. Now save the form and let's proceed to see what would it look. You can now see that the products are listed with their corresponding prices. Upon successful purchases, the stock will be automatically managed by the FormGet. Now, let's see how you can allow or limit your customers for multiple product purchases. So, let's again open up the new payment settings and toggle on the can buy more than one product. Here in the quantity section, you have to add the maximum number of items a customer can purchase. So for t-shirts, I am selecting 3, for shirts 5, and for jeans 2. Again, save the settings and see the changes in the form. So now when you select the product, you now have the ability to purchase it more than one, depending on the maximum quantity limit. Lastly, let's check out what would happen when the stock runs out, meaning the stock is 0. For that, I am again going to open up the new payment setting and change the stock to 0. I'll also decrease the stock of shirts more than its quantity limit. Let's save the form and check out the saved changes. As you can see that the product having 0 stock is labeled as out of stock. While if the available stock is less than the quantity limit, then the product quantity limit for purchase won't exceed the availability. Well, that was all about the product inventory and quantity feature. Thanks for watching.